Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I finally have my mom's Vegas haul that I promised you guys. I had asked you guys to let me know in the comments whether you wanted to see what my mom bought, because she also did go shopping with me and she picked up a lot more things than I did. As you guys may know, I only picked up the two things, my new Gucci Jackie bag and then also that Ted Baker cardigan. So it was kind of a really small haul, but my mom has got new handbag, new pair of shoes, and a couple of other things as well. Before we get started, I just wanted to quickly say hello and welcome to anybody new who might be watching my channel. My name is Saki. I upload videos twice a week, every single week, all about luxury goods and fashion. So if that is something that you enjoy to watch on YouTube, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. So if you guys didn't know, although I do feel like I talk about my mom a lot on this channel, but my mom is basically just like me. She's a fashionista. She loves to dress up. We also pretty much have like the same color palettes and everything. We take inspo like from each other all the time. It's really hard to determine like who like got what fashion inspo from who, but I like to think that we build off of each other's. So a lot of the things that I have here that she bought, I actually really like myself. So the first thing is going to be this handbag. I'll unbox the biggest thing first so that you guys, aren't waiting for it. This is actually from Chloé, and if you follow me on Instagram, you probably will have already seen this. Oh, I just wanted to note too that when we were in Vegas, we did shop, but we actually got all of these boxes shipped to us from the store. They said that it was no problem to do that just because we didn't really bring any luggage with us. So although we did want to like have all the packaging and stuff, we didn't want to have to haul it on the plane with us. So yeah, they kindly shipped this Chloé box to us afterwards, and just how cute is this? I actually am not a huge fan of Chloé. I only have one thing from them, I think. I used to have the larger Chloé Drew bag, but it didn't really work out for me. In my opinion, it was just a little bit too fussy. The only thing that I have is this little mini Chloé Drew backpack slash crossbody thing that I unboxed from FARFETCH not too long ago. Oh, speaking of FARFETCH, my code is still active for FARFETCH if you still want to get a discount while shopping there. This video is not sponsored by them, but it does expire on the 18th of June, so I thought I would let you guys know just in case. You can still buy this on there, and I also do think that if you do like this bag that I'm unboxing today, you can buy this on their website as well. So here's the code. I'll also link it down below. Don't forget to check it out. Alright, so I'm going to reveal to you the, oh, it's in the dust bag. Alright, so here I have to reveal to you the Chloé test bag. Okay, so there is a story about this one. So we were walking in, I think it was Caesar's Palace, or actually no, I think it was the Bellagio. Anyways, one of those Vegas hotels that has Chloé in it, and there was no one in the store because of COVID. They were limiting people like in the luxury stores, so there were like a lot of long lines at some of them, like Gucci and Louis Vuitton. And we randomly walked past Chloé and just decided to go in. My mom has never bought anything from Chloé before. I was just like, okay, let's just go in and check out what they have. She was also kind of on the hunt for a like casual crossbody bag. She had brought a Chanel, I believe it was the Chanel rectangular mini with her in lambskin, and she was so like upset about how fussy that bag was. I don't personally think that Chanel lambskin is that fussy, but my mom's just really not used to carrying like super delicate leathers. So she just really wanted to buy a crossbody bag, something that was casual and carefree. So that is why we initially went into the store. This is the first bag that my mom tried on, and I fell in love with it. She was super unsure about it, but I'll insert some pictures here. It really went well with what she was wearing that day. She's also kind of like me, where she only buys pink bags, although she does have a couple of other more neutral colors in her collection as well, like black and beiges. So she was telling me that she didn't want a black bag, but she was also kind of sick of this like pinky nude beige as well. And I picked this out because this is like a more neutral gray tone. I actually can't remember what this color is called, but if I can find it, I will link it down for you below. I think that this like cool gray tone goes really, really well with like more neutral tones like pink and white, the colors that we tend to wear, and it just went so perfectly with her outfit that day. Alright, so let's just go over the bag a little bit. So it has this like shorter shoulder strap. You can also remove this if you do want to just, you know, have a crossbody. There are these little notches, and then there is a crossbody strap. I'm pretty sure it's on the inside. Yeah. So the crossbody strap on this one is a really chunky one, but I guess that's just like the look that's in right now. And then these are also adjustable, so you can adjust it on both sides to make it longer or shorter depending on your height. And then the construction of the bag is that there is smooth calfskin leather on the top, and there's just like the tiniest bit of suede leather on the bottom right here, which I think that's one of the like signatures of Chloé. They really like to mix smooth leather and suede leather. And then also what's really interesting is that they do both gold and silver hardware. So as you can see right here, these parts are gold, but then this part is silver. So I guess like, no matter what you're wearing, it'll match. I think that's kind of strange, but you know what? It's so small that you can't really tell. The big ring in the front is also made out of gold, and it just opens and closes with a magnetic clasp. Alright, on the inside you just have one main compartment with a tiny slip pocket in the back that you can maybe stick a credit card in, and then there's also a front compartment. I've actually heard a lot of really good things about the Chloé test bag, but I never realized like how functional it was until my mom swapped out her Chanel bag in the store to carry this Chloé bag. She ended up carrying it for the rest of the trip. She said that she can hold, you know, pretty much every single thing that she needed, and it was so carefree. Although I will have to say the leather is smooth calfskin leather, so you still have to kind of be aware of scratches, but not so much, you know, as Chanel lambskin, obviously. So yeah, although it is smooth leather, I think it is pretty durable for what it is. I honestly think that it would go really, really well with my outfits as well. I'll have to like borrow it someday to show you guys, but I am just so in love with this color, and I really do think that Chloé makes great bags, especially for the price point that they're at. So yeah, check out this bag if you're interested in a casual crossbody. Alright, next I have something really exciting to show you. My mom and I actually were like, not fighting over this item, but like I wanted it and she wanted it, but then we came to the conclusion that she would probably wear it more than me. It is from Gucci. Now we did try to get the box shipped for this one as well, but it never came, so I don't know. Alright, so here it is. This is a scarf, and if you zoom in, you can see that there are little GG logos. And isn't this just like my style to a T? It's just so pretty. I think that this is made out of, let's see. So this one is 100% cashmere. It feels so, so soft. I love this scarf so much. I just think that it's great how the little GGs are so subtle and they're like really embossed in there. So, I mean, if you aren't looking closely, you don't even know that it's designer, but it feels like super, super nice. So, you know, it's a great quality item. I think that during the winter, this is going to be so great. I mean, I only have one like luxury or designer scarf, and that is my Burberry check one that's like pink and black. This kind of reminds me of like the Louis Vuitton scarf that a lot of people who like pink have bought, but I just think it's a little bit more subtle than that, and I don't know, the Louis Vuitton one can be a little bit loud sometimes, so I do think that I prefer something like this. Yeah, I'm just so excited for her to wear this, and you know, if they still have this once winter rolls around, I probably might buy one myself too. Alright, next we have something from Chanel. So I think I already mentioned this when I did my Vegas like haul slash vlog for you guys, but there wasn't really much in Chanel when we went. Like, we tried on shoes and they had nothing in my size. I think I'm like a 36.5/37. I think that's just like the most common shoe size, so there really wasn't anything in my size, but there were a couple of things for my mom. She is a size 40, so it's a little bit more rare, I guess. So she did end up buying this and got these shipped to her. I actually don't even think that she's opened this yet. I don't know if you guys are gonna like this one as much because it's not necessarily my style, but she did end up getting these black lambskin espadrilles. So as you guys may know if you watch my channel, I actually did have a pair of Chanel espadrilles once, but they weren't in the lambskin, they were in like the mesh fabric, and I hated those shoes. I've gone on camera saying many times that I hated those shoes because they were just so uncomfortable and the mesh fabric didn't stretch at all, and it just made my feet hurt whenever I wore them. But she was saying that when she tried these on in store, they felt like super comfortable. They felt like they fit like a glove, and I do think that's because of the lambskin leather. The lambskin leather is very, it's not stretchy, but it will mold to your foot, and if you do like have a wider foot, it'll eventually expand for you. So it's like moldable in that sense, if that makes any sense. I mean, these are just like really classic espadrilles. She was trying to decide between the beige one and the black one, but she thought the beige one looked a little bit too close to her skin tone, so that's why she decided to go for the black one. Honestly, if they make a pink lambskin espadrille, I'm all there, but they keep making them in weird materials. Like when we went to Vegas, I saw one in denim, and denim doesn't stretch either. So yeah, I really like these. I like the way that they look, but I just wish that, you know, they would make a pink leather one eventually. Alright, last but certainly not least, we have an item from Hermes. It's so funny because we've been to Vegas many times, and we've even gone luxury shopping before, but we've always been afraid to go into Hermes. But now that my mom and I are kind of like, I guess, used to shopping there at the Denver store, we just walked right in and had no problem at all. The SA who helped us was really nice. But yeah, she ended up getting this really small item. It's actually a beautiful silk scarf. So this is one of the scarves that is like a square shape, and I do believe the size of this one is 90. So here it is. I don't know if you can see the whole print. Oh, I think it's this way. Yeah, okay, so this is the way that it goes. So this is the, it says Cell de Step, I don't know, on the top, and it's just like a saddle, and it's got this really intricate design, and then I think on the bottom it just says Hermes. Yeah. And okay, let me zoom you in on the color so that you can see. The background is pink, but the design has so many beautiful colors like blue, green, yellows, and I don't know, this one just drew my mom's eye because she actually really likes to wear silk scarves like this. I'm not a huge fan of them, but I believe that the way that my mom was wearing it was, hold on, I think she folded it in like a triangle. Alright, I think she was doing it like this, possibly. And then she wore it like this, and then knotted it just down the middle. And as you can see, once you do that, you don't really see the design, but you get like the beautiful colors of the design. So I think that day she was wearing pink and white, obviously. We always just wear pink and white. But it just like really matched with, oh, she was wearing like a pink blazer. So it just really matched with what, like the pink that she had on the blazer with this. And I think that if you do wear it like this, you get a nice pop of color from whatever design it is on there. And then once you unfold it, it's kind of a nice surprise to see like the beautiful intricate design on the scarves. But I do love the way that these kind of pieces surprise you with like the colors and everything, if that makes sense. So if you fold it this way, you can see more of like the green and pink, but I think if you fold it a different way, you can see more of like this part of the design, if that makes sense. So maybe if you're using this on a handbag as well, you can fold it in different ways to get the different parts of the designs to show. Does that make any sense? So yeah, I just think that this was a beautiful choice, and it looks so good on her. Yeah, I just think that these are really fun. It was not too expensive either. I actually don't think she included any of the receipts. But like I said, Hermes does have this on the website, so if I can find it, I will link it below for you guys. Alright, so that was it for my mom's haul. What did you guys think of all the things that she got? What do you guys think of this Chloé bag? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Like I said, if you do want to go shopping and you feel like spending a little bit of money, I highly recommend that you check out FARFETCH and use my code down below to get a little bit of a discount. Terms and conditions do apply, so I will leave that down in the description as well. Another quick tip is that if you are looking to use this code, but you've already used FARFETCH before, just sign up with a different email address, because you do have to be like a first-time user. But honestly, if you just create a new account with a different email address than you've used before, you can easily use that discount code. Alright, and then before I go, I wanted to announce the giveaway for June. I'm so sorry that this is one video late, but I'm very excited to share with you guys that I'm partnering again with Slmissglam to be giving away her newest product. So this is the Slmissglam Stay Sparkly Eyeshadow Kit, and it comes with a couple of different things. So first off, we have the main thing, which is the Natural Glam Eyeshadow Palette. This is what the palette looks like. Mine is used because I've been using it literally every day since I got it. I'm using it right now, and the colors that I'm using on my eyes today are this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. But all of the colors are really awesome. It's such a great like neutral tone palette, but at the same time it's got these like little beautiful pops of color. The kit also comes with a couple of different loose eyeshadows and some Slmissglam makeup brushes as well, which you guys know I'm always in love with. Thank you so much to Stephanie for partnering with me for June's giveaway. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is leave this emoji in the comment section down below. Please also make sure to leave your Instagram username as well so that I can find you if you win. You do also have to be following me here on Instagram and also Stephanie at her Instagram as well. Please also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is definitely a must. I will leave all of the rules for this giveaway in the description box below. And yeah, I'm so excited. I hope that you guys love this giveaway too. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on?